Hey, how you doing? JJ here from Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction in beautiful Clearwater Beach, Florida. This is going to be a part 2 because I'm too lazy to edit and splice things together. But if you're following along at this point, I have used here the Purple Power Heavy Duty Premium Vehicle Boat Wash. Works really nice on the trailer here. I'm going to get to that in a moment. But I do just spray on. I do about a 50-50 in my little cheapo. I'll give you the name of this here. It says car washing gun. It's pretty basic. I found it online. I think it was like 20 bucks. I've been using the Super Clean. I've tried around with some Awesome Cleaner here, which you can find at the Dollar Tree. It actually is a pretty decent cleaner. It removes brake dust very well. I've got it in a 4-to-1. I found that it was a little bit weak at that, but boosted up a little bit more than 4-to-1. It seemed to be taking off this black streaking on the white aluminum trailer. If you ever come across this, works great. I then really switched up and went to the Super Clean straight up here in the Master Blaster high output bottle. You can find these at Walmart. They're in the plumbing section sometimes. They put out an amazing amount of volume. They're very chemical resistant. They're guaranteed for 5 years. I'm never going to send one back in. They're like $3 a piece, but I do take them out when I have harsh chemicals in them, which is what I use them for. And I do spray them out in the sink or in the yard with the hose, a little bucket or something. Make sure I flush a lot of clean water through them, and then I just put the top back on. So I tried it with kind of a 4-to-1, 3-to-1 concentrate as well. It worked good, but the straight up, which is what says on the back of the label here, it says full strength 4. I saw it there somewhere. But anyway, it says black streaks. There it is there. RV black streaks. Don't know if you can see that. Anyway, check it out. So the vehicle, I've got half of this side done. I can't really see. It's kind of bright out here. However, if I take you in here, where maybe I can see where my camera is focused a little better. Not really. But anyway, I have washed from this point this way. This is all white. This, don't know how well it'll come out on the camera, is really black. Maybe we can get a better shot here where my client did try and use some compound on the trailer for a scratch, but it wasn't really cleaned up enough. So anyway, this is how white it it'll actually be whiter than this, and you can see this line of demarcation hopefully right there. I can't see anything, I'm filming. But anyway, thanks for being with me. I'm going to continue to work on here. The main point of this video is, work with different dilution ratios to see what's going to give you the best results, and just play around a little bit. It's like a test pattern, right? When you do paint correction, you want to do a test spot and see what works. And that's the point of this video right here is, I don't clean aluminum white trailers with heavy black streaking very often. But when I do, I want to kind of play around and see just how long it's been on there and how bad it sticks, how much concentrate I have to use. And once I find the magic formula, then I just get to work with my big brush and take care of it all. All right? I thank you for being with me. This will probably be a 4-parter. And take care. Bye.